Hi everyone, welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. Tonight we are going to do catfish in the air fryer. I've already seasoned it with the Old Bay seasoning. Okay, we're going to use some Louisiana fish fry seasoning mix. And then to spray the air fryer, of course, you know we're using my Ninja air fryer. We're going to use some Pam. So, like I said, I've already seasoned the fish. I thank the man, he's doing the recording for us tonight. Thank you, baby. So, you know, this air fryer, you don't have to preheat. So, like I said, I've already seasoned the fish. Just gonna drop them in here. Shake them up, get them coated very well. If you want to use cornmeal instead, you can use it. It's up to you. I just like Louisiana breading and their seasoning. There's another one I'll use on the next video that tastes pretty good too. It's your choice, of course. So see however you want to season your fish. Then I'm gonna let this fish actually grab another paper plate. Because I'm gonna let the fish air out just a tad bit before I actually put it in the air fryer. Just to let the breading coat. You're doing an excellent job, honey. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We went to look at cameras yesterday, you guys. We're going to be stepping up. I know I've been using my iPhone and iPad and thought about using the GoPro for this, but I don't think it's going to work out too well for me as a camera for YouTubing. So, unless I was going biking or hiking or something. Look at that. Now, as you notice, the backside isn't done, but I'm going to get it. Trust and believe I will coat it very well. It will be coated thoroughly. Now, if you want to just use a plate, you guys, and, you know, coat it individually, that's fine too. No biggie. However you desire to coat it, as long as it's coated thoroughly. What's that camera behind you? The lighting, honey. I don't want you to get burned. Okay, so I'm just going to dump this on the pieces that are lacking. Some of the coating. Make sure you coat your fish very well, okay? That's important. Just like you frying your chicken. Make sure you want to coat it very well. Anytime you fry anything, just make sure you coat it well. Right, baby?
That's right. Unseasoned food.
Okay. So as you see, I'm coating it very well. You know, back in the day, we used to use the old paper bags. We used to use the paper bags for many things, such as when your fish came out or your chicken came out the frying pan. Instead of getting paper towels, we use paper bags. Right, honey?
That's right. That's old school.
Talk about saving. Okay, so this is coated very well. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands off, you guys, and then I'm going to come right back to you, and we're going to get this in the air fryer. So give me 1 second. Okay, welcome back, everyone. So the fish, like I said, is breaded. Cleaned up my area. I'm going to go ahead and spray the bottom. You know I love to use my olive oil pan. I'm going to spray the bottom. Coat it just like that, okay? You don't want your fish to stick. Can you see inside there, honey?
That's right.
Okay. So I'm just going to lay the pieces of fish flat inside of there. And shake off the excess. I'll let them sit for like a couple of minutes just to get that coating on there. Okay, I'm just going to put 4 pieces in there for right now. gonna set the air fryer on 390. And then put the time for 5 minutes. And press start. I'll see you back in 5 minutes. You straight into it?
Yep.
I need to go into the pot. So after, let me see, I set it for 5 minutes. I set it again for 10 minutes, that's 15. And then all together it's been about 10 minutes altogether to do this. And this is how it looks. What do y'all think? I didn't flip it. And I think I'm going to flip it now because it's very tender still. So I'm going to flip it and give it another like 7 minutes. Don't forget this pot is hot, y'all. You see the difference on the back side? See how it's crisping up? Almost like the chicken, how you go halfway and you turn it. I'm sorry, my arm's popping it away. So I'm gonna sit it back in for 7 more minutes and then we'll come back and test it, okay? What y'all think? Y'all want some of this fish? Y'all want some of this catfish? Look. "11 minutes on one side, 6 minutes on the other side when I turned them halfway. And I still have 2 more to put in there. But I wanted y'all to see that finished product. Look on that plate, honey. Get on that plate so they can actually see it, baby. What y'all think? Put some hot sauce on that bad, baby.
It's a wrap.
Get you some tartar sauce. We're gonna have some corn on the cob with this tonight. And a baked potato. But I just wanted to come to you right now. Turn this off so you can actually see me while I'm talking. I just wanted to show you how that looks in the air fryer. And all together, we had 11 minutes on the one side and 6 minutes on the other. So 17 minutes, you guys, for the catfish fillets. Simple and easy, right? Throw that back on 390, like I had it. Like I said, we're gonna put this on 11 minutes, and we're gonna let it roll. So, I thank you all for watching it tonight. Again, this is the catfish. Doesn't that look good?
I see that baked potato back there.
Now, you just want to, you want to sample it? I see it. Doesn't that look good? Let me break a piece for you guys. Get it around my baby, get some hot sauce out of the refrigerator. So y'all can sample it. Ooh, I know y'all want some hot sauce. Don't y'all want some hot sauce? I don't know if y'all want Tabasco sauce, red hot, Louisiana, whatever one you want. Grab some hot sauce. You want some tartar sauce? Do that too. Look at that, you guys. I'm rain breaking for you. Watch out. What you think? You know it's done and it's good and it's hot, y'all. Oh, y'all want some? Ooh, yeah, I'm about to give me some, y'all. My first time with catfish in the air fryer, y'all, and it tastes good. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell next to subscribe so that you will be notified on my next upload. Until then, God bless, and I'll see you in the next upload.